Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we tap on this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features, and as you can see here we have the location tags option. So by using this button we can turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information here is that to make it work correctly, when you really want to save the actual location of the picture, you have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and you have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. And now let me turn it on all of these settings, and let's go back to the camera to take a picture. Now let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this we can open the gallery, so this is our picture, and to check its location we have to just simply slide a little bit up. And here we have the details, as you can see, with the location with map and the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.